Hi, all you lovely learners. I'm here to help you submit assignment 2 on the digital lesson of being a theme detective. How exciting! So, being a theme detective means that you're going to explore a theme by finding textual evidence from the short story, The Necklace, to prove your chosen theme is indeed prominent in the text. So go ahead and open up your copy right here. Mine's down here. And once you open it up, you can read briefly the challenge again. I want to point out that during our class last week, we brainstormed possible themes of the necklace. So now that you've read the necklace, you're going to go ahead and choose one theme to find textual evidence on and prove that your chosen theme is indeed prominent in the text. So come on down here and you can choose a theme from the necklace, either from the screenshot. I have 3 recommendations, or you can go ahead and open up this huge list of common themes. This is the website we've been using in class, and you can scan the list and choose one that you want to dive into. Once you choose one, then you'll go back and write the theme you'd like to explore here. So I already typed in that I want to discuss facing reality. So I've typed that in, and I'm going to scroll down. And I see the next step is to answer the following questions. Why did you choose this particular theme and not the others? Was it a personal connection? Was it easiest for you to notice? All right, so right here you'll write your response. I chose facing reality because it really stuck out to me as I read, and I thought it was a really profound theme too. So I'll type in my answer here, and then when I'm done, I'm going to keep scrolling down. And now that you've decided on which theme to explore, you'll find textual evidence to prove your theme exists. So how do you know the story was about honesty or facing reality? You should be thinking, well, duh, it says right there in the text. But just in case we need to refresh our memory on what textual evidence is, you can go ahead and open this up and find a definition. Very briefly, it's another way of saying evidence or proof from the text. Now, a text can be anything written, such as lyrics to a song, short stories, novels, a text message. If you can read it, it's a text. Okay, and you're finding pieces of evidence to prove your point. In this case, the point is your theme. Okay, let's head on back to our assignment page. So where you play detective, you'll copy and paste 3 parts of the necklace that demonstrate your theme and explain why you chose those parts. You can click here to open up your own copy of the necklace, and you will need it ready in order to copy and paste those different pieces of textual evidence. Okay, so we have it there by our side, and now I'm going to show you an example. The example is, if my theme is facing reality, then I copy and paste a part that shows this. So I've already searched in the necklace for this quote. She remained in her ball dress all evening without the strength to go to bed, sitting on a chair with no fire, her mind blank. And I've explained it, why I've chosen it, and how it relates to the theme. In this part of the short story, the main character realizes she lost the necklace. Her mind is blank because she's starting to realize the gravity of her situation. Now, I will go on to do this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Finding that textual evidence. Boom. 1, 2, 3 times. And explaining. Boom. 1, 2, and 3 times. Once I find that, we are going to piece together all of our great quotes and our explanations into a final paragraph. You can do this easily by copying and pasting your 3 answers above into your response, then adding transition words. This section is worth 50 points, so I want you to focus and don't give up. All right, here I have an opening sentence. Whoops. In the short story, The Necklace, the main character learns about facing reality. I've chosen a transition phrase, for instance. There it is, for instance. It means like, for example, but a little fancier sounding. And then this whole part I'm highlighting is exactly copied and pasted from my first response example up here. Then I added furthermore, there it is. The theme of facing reality is emphasized when, and then I'd scroll up and insert my answer 2. Just copy, paste. Finally, this theme becomes more clear since, and then copy and paste my answer 3. In conclusion, the story was written to teach readers how to face their realities. If you have any questions on piecing together this paragraph or anything at all, please reach out to me at office hours or cparmer@guhsd.net. Hope you guys are taking care of yourselves, and goodbye.